Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I replaced the battery in my iPhone SE 2 using the kit from iFixit. My original battery was at 77% health after owning it since 2020. It was definitely time to replace it. The install was pretty smooth. The battery already had the adhesive on it, so it was easy to place without any worries. After installing it, the phone reported 100% battery health right away. I've been using it for quite some time now, playing games, normal daily use, and it's been holding up really well. Overall, I feel comfortable using it. iFixit's been around for years, and it shows. I'd say it's something you can trust. If you're thinking about replacing your battery, it's definitely worth it. But with that, leave a comment down below, let's have a discussion, and I'll see you in the next one.